I'm just sitting in the car here with it running, waiting for it to warm up a little bit. It is currently minus 12 degrees Celsius here in southern Ontario. Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back. Or if you're new here, my name is Katie and I am the owner and artist behind Salvaged by K. Scott. I am currently right in the middle of a guest bedroom makeover. I'm filming the whole process, but by the time you see this video, you will have probably seen the finished product. Today I'm going to bring you guys along with me to several thrift stores. I'm looking for things to decorate the space with. I've got the walls painted. I'm going to be painting the headboard that I already have, and I've purchased some new nightstands and lamps from IKEA. What I'm going to be looking for at the thrift stores today is something fun to put on the feature wall behind the headboard and some other smaller home decor items that I can either upcycle or keep as they are to use as decor around the room. So since this video is happening right in the middle of the other video, you guys may have already seen what I thrifted before I thrifted it. All right, let's get out of here, get this done, and get back inside where it's warm. All right, here are my two super awesome finds from the thrift store yesterday. This incredible carved mahogany mirror was only $24.99. I'm gonna give it a black wash, and this will hang on the wall behind the headboard. I was also able to pick up this incredible wicker ottoman for $6.99 at Salvation Army. I'm going to be painting it in the color Wanderess, which is going to be the same green color as the headboard in the guest room. To keep me from getting paint on the glass surface of my mirror, I've just got some old cardstock here, and I'm gonna tuck it up in between the wooden frame and the glass. and that way I can paint and I won't have to clean up my mirror after. Now, I'm not looking for full coverage on this piece. I want a lot of this wood tone to show through my black paint. So I've just got the very end of a jar of licorice and I've added some water in the bottom there. That's gonna be enough to do this whole mirror. On this thrift trip, I did pick up a few books just to fill in any gaps that I might have when I'm styling my nightstands. However, the rest of the things that you can see here are thrifted finds from previous trips. Sometimes when you're restyling a room in your home, it's cheaper and easier just to look at what you've already got. Make sure you drop me a comment down below and let me know what you think about today's thrifted finds and how I updated them to use them in this guest bedroom space. Thrifting for my home is one of my all-time favorite things to do. So for more thrifted finds and furniture flips, please make sure you tap that subscribe button and I will catch you guys next time.